Did I just do that? I think I did. I think I did. I don't even care.
Yeah.
Example 5. 120 seniors are on the honor roll. That's not bad, unless there's 150,000 seniors. 120 seniors are on the honor roll. This represents, oh, here we go. This represents 1/3 of the senior class. How many seniors are there? Okay. First things, William. This word right here. What does it mean in math? What is, nice. It means multiply. Turn around, moms. It means multiply, right? Like a half of 8 means a half times 8, which is 4. Okay? So when I see that of, I know I'm thinking multiply. It doesn't always, I mean, there could be ofs that don't have anything to do with the operations of the math, of the numbers, but okay, let's just see. It says 120 seniors. All right, so 120 represents. How can I put that into math terms, Allie? 120 represents. Equals, right? Because we could say 120 is 1/3. How do I write 1/3? Okay, 1/3. What does this mean, Allie? It means multiply. So 1/3 of the senior class. Now, Drew, do you see this question mark?
Yes.
That means that the variable is in that question mark. What do they ask us in that question?
How many seniors are like in senior class?
Okay, so the number of seniors in the whole class is what they want us to find. So that's what the variable stands for. Right? I'll put S for seniors, even though I don't like S. Okay? Of means multiply, so I'm putting them right next to each other. All right. Now, Robert, is the variable by itself? I want you to look at the board. Is the variable by itself? Good. Good. Feel free to look at the board. All right. What's happening? I mean, what is with the variable? 1/3. And Lake, what's happening between the 1/3 and the variable? Now, whenever I have a fraction in front of a variable, how do I get rid of that fraction, Lake? What is the word? Raise your hand. You said multiply. What's the word, Evan? Thank you. The reciprocal. Okay, what is the reciprocal of 1/3? All right, so I'm going to multiply this side by 3/1. Is it okay if I do it like that? Is that all right? Does that confuse everybody? I just don't have enough room between the equals and the 1/3. Okay? And then I need to multiply. Do I have to write 3/1 on this side, Eva? Or can I just write 3? Right, because that one's not a fraction, and neither is 3/1. Okay, good. So what happens to the 1/3 now, Steve?
So the 1/3 just equals 1.
It does. The 3's cancel. I get 1/1s. I'm just left with s, right? Steele, can you do that in your head? 3 times 120?
So that's 300.
Thank you. 360. So there are 360 seniors in the class. I went to a public school growing up, all public school. Goodwood Elementary, which I have a story to tell you. Westdale Middle School, we called it West Jail. But that's what all middle schools do. They come up with some kind of new thing for their school or whatever. And then I went to Terra High School. And in my class at Terra High School, I had 350 kids in my class. And I have to say, sitting on the stage at graduation, there were people on the stage with me that I had no idea who they were. We'd gone all high school together. I looked at each other like, what school are you from? Oh, Terra. Never saw them. Just never went into classes with each other. But I went to Goodwood Elementary this summer. I happened to be visiting my parents in Baton Rouge. And I went to Goodwood Elementary. And it is terribly, terribly small. It seemed a lot bigger when I was 8. And I haven't grown a lot since I was 8.
Really?
So, I'm just saying. All right, guys. Good job. You ready for your homework?